Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jenaline Freyo, 36 years old from Philippines. I am married and two daughters aged 15 years old and 19 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am working in Saudi Arabia for 3 years. The family have 4 members. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cooking, and taking care of one elderly. I'm also working in United Arab Emirates for 2 years. The family have 6 members, 2 adults and 4 kids. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and sending them to school. I'm also working in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and sending them to school. I am a trustworthy and hardworking person. To my future employer, if you hire me, I can assure you to finish my contract as long as you need my service. Thank you and God bless to your family.